I'm scared, but it's okay. I'm gonna, kakanta ako na maganda. Katulad na ito. 1, 2, 3, go! Every night I rush to my bed with hope that maybe I get a chance to see. When I close my eyes, I'm going out of my head. Lost in a fairy tale, no, can you hold my hands and be my guide? Stars filled with stars cover your skies. And I hope it rains in the perfect lullaby. What kind of dream is this? Sweet dreams or a beautiful nightmare? Either way, I don't want to wake up from a sweet dreams or a beautiful nightmare. Somebody pinch me. Real love so good to be true. My guilty pleasure, I am going. Even no one's here. I'll be floating on air. 'Cause you're my sweet dreams or a beautiful nightmare. Either way, I don't want to wake up from the sweet dreams or a beautiful nightmare. Either way, I don't want to wake up from the sweet dreams or a beautiful nightmare. Somebody pinch me. You're the too good to be true. Hey, thank you for watching. This is my, you know, kakabahan ako kaya hindi ko masyadong ma-perfect na song. Pero nagustuhan nyo.